G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. I've got a review of the week. I've got a product here called Mould Exterminator. This product here has got a chlorine accelerator in it and some specialised wetting agents. But yeah, obviously probably in the market comparing it against 30-second outdoor cleaner, wet and forget. Yeah, we've been testing it out. We'll put some photos and slideshow together and give it a comparison. Alright, just summing up the review on Mould Exterminator here. This comes from Actichem. It's about $40 a bottle. It's really tested well in the field, and yeah, give it a thumbs up.